Hey everyone, today we are testing out the Villey cooler. We are going to see if we can get 30 cans of soda inside and keep it cold while we are here enjoying our beautiful picnic. It is supposed to fit 30 drinks, so let's test it out and see if we can do it.
Alright, so we were able to actually get all 30 inside of this thing, which is pretty fantastic. So we got 30 cans of soda to all fit inside of the Villey cooler. Alright, we are back from our outing with the Villey cooler, and I'm going to break it down for you. We tested it if it was leak proof. We tested to see if it actually could handle 30 cans of pop or beer or soda, and we also tested the material, how comfortable and easy is it to move around with this handle and this strap, and then of course we tested to see if it can actually hold our drinks and keep them cool for a whole day. Now it claims it has 18 hours, up to 18 hours of being able to keep your drinks cool. Now, let's start with it. It did a pretty good job. At the end of the day, the drinks were still cool, but all the ice was melted. So I would say there, it did a good job, passed the test. Let's go to the next one, which would be the leak-proof. Was it leak-proof? No, it was not leak-proof. If you see this part right here, or if you saw it earlier in the video, it just absolutely leaked like crazy, an absolute faucet. So I would recommend, if you're using this, I would recommend cold packs and maybe something else that won't leak nearly as bad as what it did with this guy. And then, was it able to actually hold 30 cans of soda or beer? Yeah, it actually did perfect. It fit 30 cans of soda inside of this thing, no problem. Carrying it was pretty easy as well. You could transport it with the handle here, has no problem handling the weight of all 30 cans, as long as the ice and the liquid that had melted because of the ice inside of it. And then of course the strap as well had no problems carrying the weight of all the cans of soda, the 30 cans of soda or pop and ice and water inside of there. So it did a fantastic job. I thought for the material, it's got great material, it feels nice, it cleans up easy, and the only downside for me with the Villey cooler so far was the fact that it wasn't truly leak-proof, like it does claim on Amazon. So if you were looking for something that is leak-proof, you might want to look elsewhere. But beyond that point, there's a lot of pros. Still, for the price point of what this Villey cooler does cost, you're looking at a lot of positives. Great material, very easy and convenient to move around, and you have multiple ways of carrying it with the handle and of course the shoulder strap. And you're also looking at, still getting up to that 12 to 18 hours of keeping your food and your drinks cool throughout the day. But yeah, I'm going to keep it right there. The Villey cooler is a very good product for its price point, for what it actually does. I could see a lot of people using this who are fishermen, who are hikers, who like to go out for the day and have a picnic. You can have a very convenient and easy to carry around tote, loaded up with drinks and food, and be totally ready to get out there, as it's really lightweight and easy to carry. There are also spots back here where you could probably connect it to a backpack and even make it more convenient to tote around on your outdoor adventures. But hopefully this video helps you in your decision making on whether or not you should consider getting the Villey cooler for your next adventure. My name's Keli'i with Ohana Reviews, and as always, mahalo folks, and aloha! Chee!